Hello everybody, this is the third of my 5 new technology videos. This is the technology called Evernote. It's not a new technology, but I have never used it. It's a really, it's simply put, it's just a note-taking app that has a few different features to it. I envision offering this or telling students, specifically our RAs, about this as a note-taking feature for them. You can create notebooks, is what they call them, and I kind of envision students, creating a notebook for each class they take. They can open up the notebook and they have the different notes that they've made for those classes, and I kind of imagine you would make a new note for every day, or maybe you make a note for every topic that you talk about, possibly. You can drag and drop images into these notes to help give you some context. And I also found that since it's usable across different devices, I can put it on my phone. I can take a picture of something and put that as a note or attach it to a note, and it'll upload into the computer version of this site as well. Another cool thing about this is you can tag these notes with different tags. So if I wanted to find all the mini assignment tags, I just go in there and click that, and it pulls up both of those notes for me, which is pretty convenient. You can make shortcuts to different notes that you may be using frequently or using more often based on the time of the semester. And you can also share these notes with other people via their email address. So this is just a pretty interesting note-taking device. It does integrate with other technologies as well, which is pretty convenient. So yeah.